All right, audio test 1, 2, 3. We're back live looking at EngineeringRobo. A new way to trade. EngineeringRobo is a robo advisor that uses a computer program that follows a defined set of instructions to create successful entry and exit ideas. EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the top or bottom of any market. It certainly can, though. It is used to suggest areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. Each robo-advisor follows several different traditional indicators that exist and use a strict set of math-based parameters in play before suggesting an entry or exit. So there are many different robos to pick from to integrate into your strategy. You pick 3 that best suit your strategy, and once 2 of your chosen 3 robo-advisors suggest a buy or sell suggestion, you can invest accordingly. Sign up for free with the links in the description to find out more about how to properly utilize and implement EngineeringRobo. Let's jump over to Bitcoin against USDT. Here it would appear interacting with buying levels quite nicely. Very abrupt changes in momentum over the last 10 days. Price action delicately interacting with my support level down below. $18,860 per Bitcoin has been waiting for us for some time. Resistance waiting for us previously back in August here. Sell pressure present near $21,815 per Bitcoin. Buying at my support level and selling at my resistance level during this crazy range of sideways. Be sure to be taking profits when you have them. Could have capitalized on over 15% ROI using my key levels here. The robo advisors in play, however, we do see the buy for, super buy, and moon all coming confirmed throughout September. Nice to see, though slightly unsightly might be the sell for now present with this very gross big red candle on the 13th. Only one of our chosen 3 robos are bearish, so technically we can remain invested based on previous confirmations until a second robo advisor were to enter a bearish state. Looking at the fear and also FOMO zones here, it would appear we have 2017 all-time highs made back in December of 2017. $19,700 roughly per Bitcoin was a euphoric time for crypto so many years ago. As we all know, 2017 is roughly 106 years ago today. Interacting with the FOMO zone, an excessive rejection occurred following that all-time high. An 84% correction occurred before we successfully bottomed and found our way back upward. And of course, years had to pass before that all-time high was broken. Upon entering the fear zone in 2018, a 45% correction occurred, and we traded sideways for over 170 days before rallying back upward out of it, trading sideways on top of it, entering it briefly here in March of 2020 when the cough crash occurred. Another 45% correction, though only just over a month of sideways. After 2 fear zone interactions, we break all-time highs where we previously saw the FOMO zone. We interact with aforementioned euphoric levels near $69,000. Nowhere near the FOMO zone, by the way. FOMO zone up there near $196,000 per Bitcoin, something to perhaps consider. And here it would appear we have entered the fear zone for the 3rd time since our last FOMO zone interaction, presenting another bullish buy opportunity. As you can see, a 45% correction has occurred, though the potential 170 plus days in sideways is still playing out. So I mean, technically things are semi-respecting these levels and parameters, but this 84% correction comes into play when we consider that $69,000 all-time high. An 84% correction from that would bring us to a $10,000 Bitcoin roughly, and so perhaps that is where many investors are getting that price level from. While that is something to keep in the back of your mind and consider at all times, be prepared for all price action. While I think that is not impossible, it is less likely because we have yet to see the FOMO zone, and so the significance of the FOMO zone would add to the intensity of said correction. And so right now the FOMO zone is nowhere near us here, and we've set a higher high all-time high within 2021, almost two all-time highs, kind of before seeing the fear zone again here for the third time, suggesting another bullish buy opportunity as I mentioned. So accumulate here during times of extreme fear, but go oh no when Robo says there's FOMO. Feel free to more comfortably and confidently take profit up near $200,000 per Bitcoin. So okay, would you look at that? All right, hypothetical magical box. Let me change my Robos here. Okay, so in our previous stream, we visualized this mystical magical box here that seems to be acting as support at the moment during current price action, though technical, more significant horizontal level down below 8 cents as to consider if we continue our way downward. The buy 4 is present. One of our chosen 3 Robos in play is nice to see, though we need a second Robo Advisor bullish for us to begin accumulating more comfortably and confidently here based on that confirmation. Technically, resistance is overhead still, though, at 11 cents when this buy 4 was confirmed. You were not eager to jump in at that level. Not only was it only one confirmation from EngineeringRobo, but we were very close to resistance. So now would be a comparably more bullish price to be considering investing into XLM, though technically there are far more bullish confirmations waiting to be confirmed here that could allow a more confident entry. But that was XLM. Looking at XRP, here it would appear previously we'd mentioned this rejection off of dashed overhead down trend line. I'm going to change my Robos though. Get pranked. Okay. The buy 4, Super Robo, and Golden Cross in play. As I mentioned, rejection off of local dashed down trend line here. We're respecting it as resistance still. Oh, we have some new viewers tuning in. Good evening. Good evening to you all. That is very strange. It is like the middle. It's like the middle of the day, like the literal middle of the day for me. But welcome all, connected globally. The power of the future and the internet. Trying to make money trading imaginary code, rectangles and lines that nobody really knows. But anyway, XRP still in consolidation. Watch out down below. Support 30 cents. But we have what about Luna Classic? Good question. Here we go. This is a chart of significance, perhaps. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. So yeah, is this a reversal or is this a continuation pattern? Because we've been sideways ever since the zeroing of Luna, the crashing, the downwarding. We've been sideways kind of ever since. Wow, like remember when everyone was making so much money just holding on to Luna? And then, lol, just kidding. I want to say this. I want to say this. Okay, EngineeringRobo members experiencing 664, 35% in gains between 2021 to April of 2022, respecting the uptrend, and then it all changed. Well, technically, hang on, let's draw some. These are just going to be really hypothetical, really quick. So I guess this is how I would look at Luna Classic at the moment. So lots going on. Extreme volatility. Technical parameters are going to be very iffy. But technically, 2 of our chosen 3 Robos have been bullish ever since the 31st of August there. Upon bullish Robo advisors, Luna Classic proceeded to experience 257% in gains over the following week. Experiencing that rejection on the 8th of September there, downside has occurred from that swing high. 59% in downside played out. The buy 4 and sell 4 flipping in and out of play during that time. Technically, 2 of our chosen 3 Robos are in a bullish state, so if you've been invested since the 31st of August, you are technically waiting for a second bearish Robo to be confirmed if you were unable to take profit near the top there. As we've been saying, capitalize on upside when present, as we are in a bear market, so a quick, double, triple your money in a week. Nothing wrong with that whatsoever. Anyway, yeah, it's been about an hour roughly here. We've gone through a whole bunch of coins, seen some indexes, done some charting, but thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for being a part of the stream. Really hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. We're going to be back at it before you know it, here to do it all again. Sign up down below for Engineering Robo for free. Links in the description. Let me know down below in the comment section anything you'd like to see in upcoming streams or videos. You can find out everything you need to know about Engineering Robo down below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's go straight to the moon. Hope to see everybody there soon. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. Hope to see you in the next one. How do I get out of here? There's no escape. What's going on?